Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Paybis. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in paybis.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Paybis website. Now from the home page, click on the sign up button at the top right corner and this will take you into the sign up portal. Just type in your email address that you wish to use for sign up and click on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just log in to your email address that you just entered and you will find your verification code. Copy this code and enter this into the verification box. And now you will be asked to enter your phone number. Click on the drop down menu alongside the country section and then choose your country code. You will then be asked to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on the checkbox for the terms of service and policy as well as the privacy policy. Then click on continue and you will be asked to verify your identity. After solving the verification puzzle, you will then be taken into the further sign up process where you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this verification code as well. Type in this verification code and proceed forward and your account will be activated and you will be able to set up your Paybis profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Paybis. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.